Life. Each day we capture new ideas and inspiration. Our best friends and vacations. Memories to share with our loved ones. Dreams of products and business innovations transfer from the tactile world into our digital vaults every day as we work to better the environment around us. As we trust more of our memories to digital storage, can we be prepared for the eventual disaster of device failure? You are infected, crashing down. Your memories? Gone. Until this happens, we remain unprepared. Everything gone in the blink of an eye. How can we prepare? Why does this affect so many of us? Enter DittoDisk, the first device of its kind that lets you stop worrying about the protection of your work and memories instead of, well, making them.
Thank you for allowing us to introduce you to DittoDisk, a unique device that addresses a critical need in a market of frustrated PC and laptop users. We want to offer the market a device that will create trust in the digital platform again at an affordable price in a platform that can be put in their current PC without having to purchase new hardware. In addition, we want to put it in form factors that manufacturers can use to build new PCs and new technologies without greatly altering their current designs. This technology is unique, innovative, and different from anything else on the market. Nothing combines all the power of real-time backup through RAID technology, backup to the cloud, and real-time virus protection all in one easy-to-use and easy-to-install device. The product design of DittoDisk is simple. Two independent disks that mirror each other in real time. The product fits in all standard size drive enclosure packages, including 5 1/4, 3 1/2, and 2 1/2 inch discs. Because of the form factors, the product is very easy to install. No incumbent device will fit in a laptop or any form of portable device. This also allows current manufacturers to quickly incorporate the DittoDisk into their current hardware designs. The product is so unique that it will afford intellectual property protection, greatly adding value to both the design and the company. In the heart of the DittoDisk, controlling the two independent drives, is our own ASIC, or application-specific integrated circuit, that we can program to add value. For example, we can add additional malware and CryptoLocker protection in real time by providing new programs to our ASIC. Also, we can greatly decomplicate the backup process by allowing the ASIC to do all of the hard work to push all of your data up to the cloud. Our company, innovation, and value proposal is unique to everything else on the market. No one else offers a simple and affordable package that will fit in any existing hardware. The product will sell through many existing channels, including manufacturers who produce PCs, businesses through distribution, and also direct to consumer through websites and Amazon. No other device provides three-sided protection in the form of real-time redundancy, backup, and virus protection. The company will collect revenue through multiple sources, including the sale of the product, virus subscriptions, and cloud-based storage for all of your long-term backups. To get started, the company will use a phased approach to launching the product. We will build the first form factor in 3 different sizes, including 256 gigabit, 512 gigabit, and 1 terabit sizes. Next, I'd like to welcome Gina to introduce us to the product market. Take it away, Gina.
Thanks, Brian. I'd like to spend a few minutes giving an overview of the industry and also talking about the market opportunity for DittoDisk. In terms of hardware, laptop usage is predicted to remain fairly stable over the next 4 years. Conversely, PCs are actually projected to lose popularity. This is in large part due to the exponential growth that we've seen amongst tablet usage and smartphone usage. 50% of hard drives fail within a 5-year period. Now, unfortunately, only 6% of users regularly conduct backups. We've seen some trends in the market that make it the perfect time to introduce DittoDisk. For example, we're seeing significantly increased data volumes. We're seeing a greater number of device types. Users are demanding less complex backup solutions, and they're demanding automated backup solutions. Now, should they experience data loss, their expectations around recovery time are continuing to shorten. DittoDisk is designed for users of equipment with SSD data storage. So PCs, laptops, tablets, smartphones, cameras. That's a pretty broad demographic. So we want to focus our target market onto small to mid-sized businesses. They typically lack the backup infrastructure that many larger organizations have, and a staggering statistic, only 6% survive longer than 2 years after a catastrophic data loss. Now, there are some alternatives out there, as I mentioned. Larger organizations, they often utilize backup tapes, but that takes a significant upfront investment and ongoing support. External hard drives can be fine as long as you remember to back up. Cloud storage is becoming increasingly prevalent. However, consumers are concerned about data security, and they don't like paying ongoing monthly fees. Inertia actually is a very big competitor within this space. Many people do not understand the prevalence of data loss, nor do they fully understand how catastrophic it would be for them to lose everything. So within our marketing, we will educate end users about these statistics, and we'll also remind them that DittoDisk is a one-time cost and it is automatic, easy to use. So with that, I would like to turn you over to Ted, who will talk to you about our feasibility study.
Thank you, Gina. DittoDisk has conducted an extensive feasibility study through interviews with industry experts and customers, and through this developed a strategic position that will have us selling DittoDisk through the B2C markets that include our own website and distribution channels such as Amazon and Best Buy. The feedback we got from our survey was that it was really split as to the preferred method, so we feel it's important that we address all three and sell our product through all three. In addition, we'll be selling DittoDisk to computer manufacturers in a B2B model that will have them installing the DittoDisk in the production process and then passing it on to customers as a value add. Our position is to get, keep, and grow customers. As we worked through our risk analysis, we looked at the results we got back from our industry expert in customer surveys, both of which told us that there was a real need for a DittoDisk-like product in the marketplace. We also looked at the competitive nature of the marketplace and know we will be competing against cloud and external hard drive alternatives. With regard to our operations, we have a well thought out plan that goes through the various stages of business growth, including the seed stage, early stage, latter stage, and balance stage, all of which we have thought through the personnel requirements and physical plant requirements for those various stages of business. Our plan is to stay slightly ahead of our business so we never fall behind. Besides the technology that will be designed into each and every DittoDisk, we will also, as a company, be investing heavily into technology, such as a world-class website that will market our product, process customer purchases, facilitate B2B, B2C connections, have tech support functionality, and collect customer reviews so that we stay in touch with our marketplace. In addition, we will be posting videos on YouTube and Vimeo so that tech support and installation instructions are readily available to our customers 24/7. Thank you, and from here I'm going to kick it over to Karen.
Thank you, Ted. I'm excited to inform you that we are currently a registered business in Oregon, and our website, DittoDisk.com, has already been secured. DittoDisk's strategic position would be to move forward and acquire resources perform key activities, and establish relationships with key partners. Physical resources include company facilities as well as product resources such as hardware, software, and firmware. We'd also need to fulfill 12 positions with key personnel, and protecting our intellectual property will be vital. So we must go through the proper legal channels in order to patent the DittoDisk. And we will need $3 million in order to start up the company, and in the next slide I'll go into detail of those expenses. Partnering will be a key component to our success. Amazon will be our distribution channel, and for suppliers we would focus on those that will provide the solid state disks and the RAID controllers, and the manufacturer will be key in order to create the prototype and produce the DittoDisks. And finally, relationship marketing, where we meet with top interviewers, bloggers, in order to spread the word about DittoDisk. We have assessed our risks and calculated our first year operating expenses, and you'll see we've broken it out into 5 main categories. First is the business operations, and that includes the office, IP protection, and utilities, mileage, insurance, everything to keep the business running. Second, you'll see payroll. 0 is because the 12 people will be reimbursed with stock options and not heavy, big salaries. Third is marketing, and that includes the guerrilla or relationship marketing and media advertising. Next, you'll see sales channel, and our primary distribution channel is Amazon, and they have a 15% merchant fulfilled fee. And lastly, you'll see manufacturing, which is the lion's share of the expenses, and that includes creating the prototype, tooling, and producing the DittoDisks. I'm excited to report our analysis shows DittoDisk earning an impressive first-year profit. We were conservative with our assumptions as to not present overly confident values. Our revenue of $1.8 million is based on selling 9,000 silver level packages, which is our smallest bundle. We used a gross margin of 20%, and it does typically vary between 10 and 30%. One key item to keep in mind, the gross margin and the gross profit are highly dependent on the manufacturer's batch size and the production costs. With that in mind, and all of the factors we've assessed, we anticipate a $1.2 million gross profit and $6 million in annual sales.
DittoDisk's mission is to deliver technology safeguards and services that matter most to computer and laptop users.
Reliable protection of data and trusted security to keep safe your irreplaceable videos, photos, files, and music.
DittoDisk's ethical business model promotes a profitable, ethical work environment that provides employees and customers with the highest degree of satisfaction.
It is DittoDisk's vision that with innovative technology, we not only become the new hardware standard for computers and laptops, but for all data storage devices, including cameras, phones, drones, and beyond.
Keep your data safe.
Buy
Buy
a
DittoDisk and go Cougs!